talking a little bit about blisters and socks. We've talked about socks before. It's the wet season, and what causes blisters is friction. So you want to figure out ways to avoid getting stuff in your socks like dirt, gravel, and sand, and figuring out how to make socks slide smoothly over your skin without causing friction. So synthetic socks, maybe wool socks, definitely not cotton socks. If you're going to walk on soft surfaces where there's loose things like gravel, these nice, cute, non-tanning socks, not good because it's really easy for things to get in because they're really low. These are synthetic sock. They fit a little bit higher, right above the malleoli of the ankles. If you want to go a little bit higher still, for a little shin protection too, these happen to be toe socks from Injinji. The important thing to remember is synthetic materials. Don't let stuff get inside your socks. And before taking long runs or hikes, we got the Rachel Carson coming up. Try your socks in training or in shorter distances. Another movement tip, lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.